viewers on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. As you all can see, I changed the blade of my Babyliss Red FX. So if you all can see this one, it's not written Babyliss or something like that. It's written Baba Shop FX707. So this is found on Alibaba and AliExpress. So first it was on Alibaba, so I bought it, and now it's on AliExpress too. And I will try to leave the link on the description below in case if you want to buy. This is the original blade, but this package here is what I bought from Alibaba. So I put it in, and I bought the black one. There are two type of color, the black and the golden color. So, and it looks good. If you can really see it good, it's really pretty zero gapped. It is zero gapped. I mean factory zero gapped. I didn't do anything. Can't really see it like this. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, see it? See that? It is zero gapped. It just came like this, zero gapped, which is very, very good, and this blade fit perfectly on this Babyliss Red FX, and the packaging, which I really like, they put this one also on it, for more protection, which is good. So, and I bought 5 pieces. These are the 5 pieces, the black one and the golden one. I bought 2 golden one and 3 blacks. You see that? So, but the golden color, it's not the same like this one. Let me open this one. The golden color is a little bit different from the one of the real Babyliss, See the good? It's a little bit different. The bracket, everything the same, I've checked. Everything the same. You see, it's zero gapped already. If you can see. Something is not possible. It's zero gapped already, if you can see. You see that? Came zero gapped, which is good. And the cam follower, also the same. But there's a little difference that I saw, Okay, now I saw it on the black one. Okay. Just check the blade, this side. I don't know if maybe this camera gonna zoom into this one. Let me take this one off. You see this steel blade? you know, here. They are not the same. It's a little bit different. You see? See this one? The first two, they are not the same. This one is a little bit more deep and tiny. See, it's tiny. I mean, this one. It's tiny. And this one, not really, if you can see. You see that? You see that? It's not that tiny, but this one is more tiny. You see that? I'm not talking about this cutter blade. I'm talking about this one here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this one on it. If maybe this one will fit, you know. Yes. So if you have this one, then you can zero gap it the way you like it. But it's already zero gapped, you know, factory zero gapped. So, and okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to open this one and really look inside, you know. So, okay. Okay. You see that? So this one is for this one. Let's open this one, the original one. Okay, so first of all, let's check this one out. Okay, it looks the same to me. Okay. This is the most important one. Okay. This one is more deep tooth, I guess. I don't know. Wait a minute. You see that? This one is different. This cutter blade is different. Okay, this one is deep tooth cutter blade. Okay. So now this one. You see what I'm talking about? This one is deep tooth. It would have been better the cutter blade of this one also deep tooth. I guess it would have been more better. I guess so, I don't know. So let me check this one if maybe it will fit. Perfecto. Perfect. But it needs to be zero gapped because it's overlapping now, you know. But it fits perfect. Okay. Perfect too. Okay. I would have preferred if maybe this one is deep tooth cutter blade. Because for me, deep tooth cutter blade cuts better, much more better, you know. And I'm gonna leave a link on the description below so you can, if you like it, you can buy, you know. Yo, as you can see, this is the blade I was using today. I received this blade today and I just quickly put it on and I tested it on myself, you know. So I was cutting my hair with it. As you can see, you know, I didn't make this line very straight, you know. It's not that good, but it's okay. And I was making the line with this blade, you know. For me, you know, I'm not talking about other people. For me, it is the same as the original. It is the same. The only difference between them is this cutter blade of this not original. I mean, okay, it's not a deep tooth like the original one, and the steel blade is a deep tooth, you know. I would have preferred if the cutter blade also a deep tooth. That would have been really, really good. It is good, you know, still. And one thing I have to say, I guess, I think so, you know, it's not a DLC blade. So for me, it's just a titanium blade, you know. They just put a color on it, you know, that's it. It's not a DLC like this one, you know. That's it, guys, and it is good.